NASA says its Trailblazer 1, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable records back to Earth. Inside the universe, we have no clue about what it is, other than the fact that we can detect it. Trailblazer 1, the infamous space probe launched by NASA more than 4.5 decades ago, has sent back a message that has sent shock waves through the academic community. After traveling nearly 14 billion miles from Earth, Trailblazer 1 has made a discovery so significant that it has redirected its mission toward our planet. Be part of this grand adventure. Just 7 minutes ago, Trailblazer 1 made a disturbing discovery and turned toward Earth. But what exactly could this discovery be? Could it be evidence of extraterrestrial life, an incredible phenomenon, or something even more implausible? In this gripping investigation, we will delve into these thrilling revelations. Trailblazer 1 has just made a shocking discovery, causing it to abruptly turn toward Earth. Records from the Trailblazer twin probes suggest that certain celestial events aligned to make their mission possible. If these events hadn't occurred, two of the most remarkable rockets ever launched might never have left Earth. This alignment involved the 4 largest planets in our solar system, which slowly aligned in a unique configuration that had last occurred during Thomas Jefferson's presidency in the 19th century. This rare planetary alignment went mostly unnoticed until Gary Flandreau, a doctoral student in aeronautics at the California Institute of Technology, identified its significance in 1965. At the time, space exploration was just beginning. Flandreau, working part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, was tasked with figuring out the most efficient way to send a space probe to Jupiter, or even farther to Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. Using a simple pencil, he carefully plotted the orbital paths of these massive planets and made an astonishing discovery. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, the 4 planets would align in such a way that a single mission could visit them all. This alignment allowed a spacecraft to use the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot itself to the next, significantly reducing travel time. Flandreau calculated that this arrangement could cut the flight time from Earth to Neptune from 30 years to just 12 years. However, there was a catch. This planetary alignment only occurred once every 175 years. To seize this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, a spacecraft would need to be launched by the early 1970s. NASA quickly acted on this rare opportunity and built 2 spacecraft for the mission, Trailblazer 1 and Trailblazer 2. These twin spacecraft embarked on a grand mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Thanks to the alignment of the planets and the visionary calculations of Gary Flandreau, the launch of the Trailblazer twins on September 5, 1977, was a historic moment at Cape Canaveral, Florida. Trailblazer 1 began its great adventure into space, launched by a powerful Titan IIIe rocket. Just 15 days later, Trailblazer 2 was launched on August 20, 1977. Trailblazer 1 took a shorter route, starting its journey into the vast universe. Their primary mission was to explore the massive gas giants in our solar system, including Jupiter and Saturn, along with their numerous moons. However, these fearless spacecraft exceeded all expectations, venturing far beyond the boundaries of exploration. They traveled farther and longer than any other spacecraft in history, breaking numerous records on their inspiring odyssey. After entering a region known as interstellar space, a completely uncharted territory within our universe, Trailblazer 1 and Trailblazer 2 are now more than 12 billion miles away from us. Despite their immense distance, they continue to astonish scientists with groundbreaking discoveries. Most recently, they made a discovery so stunning that it has left everyone in awe. The Trailblazer twin probes have achieved countless remarkable milestones. Decades ago, they studied the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, surprising scientists who initially believed these moons were dull and cratered like our own moon. Instead, these moons turned out to be vibrant worlds full of interest. Trailblazer 1 made history by becoming the first of the twins to pass by Uranus in 1986, and just 3 years later, it passed by Neptune, an achievement unmatched by any other spacecraft. As these spacecraft continued their intricate journey, NASA used clever techniques to keep them operational. Non-essential components, such as additional heaters and parts, were deactivated to conserve power. The goal was to keep the spacecraft functional until at least 2025. For the dedicated scientists and engineers who have been part of this incredible journey from the beginning, this is a mix of emotions. Their hard work has paid off, and just when they thought the Trailblazer missions were nearing their end, a dazzling discovery emerged from the depths of space. In 2012, Trailblazer 1 officially became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, crossing the boundary known as the heliopause. This milestone confirmed that the spacecraft had left the Sun's influence and entered a region dominated by matter and radiation from other stars. Trailblazer 2 followed in 2018, entering interstellar space 6 years after its twin. Both spacecraft continue to send data back to Earth, using their aging instruments and plutonium power generators. Although their energy supplies are dwindling, NASA engineers have carefully managed power consumption to keep the Trailblazers operational for as long as possible. Most recently, Trailblazer 1 made headlines with a surprising discovery. It detected strange, persistent vibrations in the interstellar plasma surrounding it, puzzling scientists. This finding could provide crucial insights into the structure and dynamics of the interstellar medium, as well as the forces shaping our galaxy. Even as the Trailblazers approach the end of their operational lifespans, their contributions to science remain unparalleled. These twin spacecraft have transformed our understanding of the solar system and beyond, revealing the beauty, complexity, and vastness of the universe. Their journey stands as a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity, an enduring legacy that will inspire generations to come. As they continue to drift further into the cosmos, carrying their golden records, a time capsule of Earth's sounds, music, and messages for potential extraterrestrial civilizations, the Trailblazers embody humanity's relentless quest to explore the unknown. What lies ahead for the Trailblazer probes remains uncertain, but their achievements have forever changed humanity's perspective of our place in the universe. Even as they drift into the dark void, they continue to transmit faint signals back to Earth, pushing the limits of what we can learn from the distant cosmos. Trailblazer 1 and 2's discoveries have inspired future space exploration missions, from planned journeys to icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, to ambitious concepts for interstellar probes that could travel even farther than their predecessors. Their success has spurred scientific innovation, deepened our understanding of the universe, and fostered a collective desire to answer the most profound questions about our existence. Are we alone in the universe? What else might lie beyond the stars? The golden records they carry, inscribed with greetings, music, and images from Earth, were designed as a message to any intelligent life that might encounter them. The idea, championed by Carl Sagan and his team, was to provide a snapshot of humanity and the diversity of life on Earth. Even as the physical probes will one day succumb to the cold, radiation-filled expanse of interstellar space, their mission carries an element of hope, a symbol of humanity's aspiration to connect with the unknown. Though operational data from the Trailblazer missions will eventually cease, their legacy will endure as one of humanity's greatest achievements. The knowledge they have returned to us continues to drive scientific inquiry, inspire awe, and remind us of the endless possibilities that await as we look to the stars. In the coming decades, new missions may follow in their path, equipped with advanced technology and an even greater drive to explore. But no matter what lies ahead, Trailblazer 1 and 2 will always stand as the pioneers that pushed the boundaries of human exploration. They remind us that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of potential, waiting for us to uncover its secrets. As Trailblazer 1 and 2 journey farther into interstellar space, beyond the grasp of our Sun's influence, they become not just tools of discovery, but symbols of humanity's enduring curiosity and ingenuity. Long after their power fades, they will continue their silent voyage, carrying the story of Earth into the infinite reaches of the cosmos. As Trailblazer 1 and 2 continue their silent journey through interstellar space, scientists on Earth remain captivated by their potential to uncover more secrets about the universe. The vibrations detected in interstellar plasma by Trailblazer 1 suggest that even in the most remote corners of space, dynamic and fascinating phenomena are at play. These subtle but persistent signals have spurred theories about how matter and energy interact beyond the heliosphere, potentially reshaping our understanding of the forces governing the galaxy. The Trailblazer probes have also opened the door to discussions about future interstellar exploration. While they rely on decades-old technology, their longevity and success have inspired ambitious new ideas. Concepts like light sails powered by lasers or advanced nuclear propulsion systems could allow future probes to travel even faster and farther, bringing interstellar destinations like Proxima Centauri's exoplanets within humanity's reach. Back on Earth, the data collected by Trailblazer 1 and 2 continues to be analyzed. Recent findings about interstellar plasma and cosmic radiation have shed light on the protective bubble created by the heliosphere, which shields our solar system from much of the harsh radiation found in interstellar space. Understanding the boundaries of the heliosphere is critical for planning future human exploration missions beyond the solar system, as well as for studying how stars interact with their galactic environments. Even as the Trailblazers venture farther from Earth, their cultural and scientific significance continues to grow. The golden records they carry, containing greetings in 55 languages, music from around the world, and images depicting life on Earth, remain a profound expression of humanity's desire to connect with the cosmos. These records are expected to last for billions of years, potentially serving as a time capsule for civilizations far in the future or even beyond our species' existence. Meanwhile, scientists and engineers at NASA are working tirelessly to extend the operational lifetimes of these probes. By carefully managing their dwindling power supplies, they hope to keep receiving valuable data for a few more years. Each transmission is treated as a gift, a final opportunity to learn from these pioneering spacecraft. Looking ahead, the Trailblazer probes serve as a reminder of what humanity can achieve through collaboration, vision, and perseverance. They symbolize the essence of exploration, the drive to venture into the unknown, to seek answers to profound questions, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. As they drift deeper into interstellar space, Trailblazer 1 and 2 carry not only the story of Earth but also the hopes and dreams of a species that dared to look beyond its own world. Whether or not their golden records are ever discovered, their journey stands as a testament to the boundless curiosity and ingenuity of humanity. Long after the probes fall silent, their legacy will endure, inspiring future generations to continue exploring, learning, and dreaming of what lies beyond the stars.